Most people know Volvo as a Swedish car manufacturer. Their cars are elegant and well received, but not many people see them as competitors to the fastest or greenest cars in the industry. Well, few people know that Polestar, which started as a small racing team, has been helping Volvo to become faster, stronger, and just better overall. But what is Polestar and what is their story? Here's how it happened. First off, what is Polestar? Polestar is now Volvo's electric performance vehicle range, with the Polestar 1 and 2 as their core vehicles to compete in the EV world. But they didn't start out that way, so what is the story of Polestar? Well, they initially started out as Flash Engineering, a racing team led by Jan Nilsson, or Flash, that used Volvo cars and won the Swedish Touring Car Championship in 1996 by improving their performance and engine capability. They won again in 1997 and took their car to compete in more races internationally, winning over 100 races in the next decade. In 2005, Nilsson sold the company to Christian Dahl, who then renamed the business Polestar Racing. While still a racing performance company, Polestar also began working alongside Volvo to perform engine upgrades which led to faster acceleration, gear changes, improved reliability, and engine response thanks to their international racing success. But Polestar began making their own cars to show the world they weren't just Volvo mechanics. They launched a prototype, a hot hatchback with 400 horsepower and 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds with an all-wheel drive system. The marketing campaign for the prototype was a way to separate themselves from Volvo to show they were the real deal. They then publicly released various cars, including the Volvo S60 Polestar. The S60 was the first to be launched in 2013 with just 100 units manufactured to test out demand. But positive feedback led to the V60 and S60 being launched across 8 different countries in what was a commercial success. So much so that a year later in 2015, Volvo purchased Polestar outright after seeing this success that Polestar had enjoyed with both the V and the S60 models. Polestar could then exclusively work with improving Volvo's performance, control, and drivability, and the racing division with which Polestar was formerly associated was spun off by Christian Dahl as Cyan Racing. But as EVs and sustainability have come to the fore, Polestar was transitioned to become an electric performance car brand in 2017 with a view to making increasingly efficient performance vehicles. Since then, Polestar has focused on the Polestar 1 and 2. The Polestar 1, released in 2017, was their first electric hybrid with 78 miles of electric range working alongside a combustion engine. Similar to the Volvo S90, it has carbon fiber, a panoramic glass roof, and looks almost futuristic, and was chosen for the front cover of the Need for Speed mobile app. The hybrid powertrain powers the rear wheels, the turbocharged engine powers the front wheels to reach 620 horsepower with 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. The car was built in Polestar's Chengdu facility in China, designed by Norwegian architects, which promises to be the most sustainable car factory in the region. Despite the success of 1, from 2019, the Polestar 2 met the need for fully electric vehicles, completely transitioning away from hybrids with a 78 kWh battery and a range of over 330 miles with 408 horsepower. Trying to compete with Tesla, the Polestar 2 will start at about $45,000, being more affordable than other EV brands, and the Polestar 1 will cease to exist. The future of Polestar is electric, with the Polestar 3 rumored to be a coupe SUV crossover with more styles likely to come in the future, as Polestar matches racing pedigree with electric style. Thomas Ingenlath, the CEO of Polestar and former SVP of design at Volvo, feels that Polestar customers are progressive and not tied down by heritage demands, likening them to Tesla as a brand that has opened up people's mind on the car industry. The Polestar Precept shows us a glimpse into the future, with a sleek design that's focused around sustainability and innovation, for example, replacing the rear window with a camera system and using vegan leather instead of the real thing. Polestar and Volvo have worked hand in hand since the 90s, and together they have not only improved Volvo cars, but now through Polestar they have an electric vehicle brand that is determined to continue innovating. What do you think of electric cars? Let us know in the comments below, and that's how it happened. Thanks for watching.